Yo, still over here. Let's make this big. Ready? Now, we are going to talk about cilia and flagellum. Flagella. Okay, flagella is going to be the plural distinction, whereas flagellum is going to be a singular description. Now, these are organelles, which are, again, little organs on the inside of cells or associated with cells. And it's associated, this one is specifically associated with the cytoskeleton. Now, the cytoskeleton we discussed is there for support, but it's also there for like movement and transport, okay? So when we're talking about cilia and flagella, and you have two images down here, and so the structure comes in two different packages here. One, cilia is going to be shorter, more numerous, like tiny oars. So take a second and just look down here. Which one of these do you think the projections are shorter on? This one on the right or this one over here on the left? Well, obviously, it's going to be cilia over here on the shorter one, these little hair-like projections right here. Okay. Now, similar projections that are short and numerous but don't move are called microvilli. Okay, so smaller, but they're similar, but they do not move. So we have the cilia. Okay, then we have the flagella, and these are going to be longer, fewer, maybe 1 to 3. So this one over here has, I'm not going to count them, but let's say 18. Whereas the flagella on the sperm cell here has 1 flagella, and it's a whip-like structure. And its basic job for both of these, but specifically cilia, is to move fluid across the cell surface. It moves fluid across the cell surface. So the sad part about this is that these are not GIFs, so they're not moving like I would like them to be, but these are just kind of moving back and forth in the liquid, the fluid substance, the cytoplasm on the outside here. And so the cilia's job is to move fluid across the cell surface, and the flagella's job is to move an entire cell through extracellular fluid, such as the sperm cell over here. So let me see if I can move my face. Oh, move it up here. There we go. So back here, this image shows the sperm cells, and the tails are the flagella. Flagella with all these, but flagellum here on the sperm cell is moving the sperm cell to the egg for fertilization. And then over here you have the this image is showing the microvilli on the outside of a human body cell. So basically it's similar, the microvilli is similar to the cilia, and it's going to look basically the same. Okay, but the job here is to move fluid across the cell surface, whereas the flagella is to move the entire cell through extracellular fluid. And hopefully that helps. Just remember the distinction. Okay, so there we go. Hope that helps.